What would you say if I told you you could improve your health and fitness without an expensive gym membership, hiring a personal trainer, or even changing your diet? That's right. What our industry isn't telling you is that fitness exists everywhere. I'm bringing you 3 simple fitness hacks that I do every day that can help you improve your health and fitness right now. My number 3 fitness hack. So easy yet so simple to avoid. According to the book, The Comfort Crisis, 98% of people in the airport choose to take the escalator. That leaves only 2% of the people taking the stairs. Maybe you've had a long day or you've got a heavy bag, but that's the point. Take the harder path. Every set of stairs is an opportunity for you to improve your fitness. My fitness hack number 2, if done properly, will work your arms, your legs, your core,
your ubulus muscle that connects to the upper dorsimus,
and even conditioning. And it will actually burn fat. Sounds too good to be true, right? It couldn't be simpler. All you need is a heavy object in each hand. Keep your back straight, your shoulders back, your chest and your head up. Maybe you can stop having your groceries delivered and carry a week's worth of sweet potatoes and meat home. Or you could carry it to the far end of the parking lot. Whether it's wearing a weighted backpack, piggybacking your child, or carrying extra groceries home from the grocery store, they all benefit your fitness. So that brings me to my personal favorite fitness hack. Hack number 1. Did you know that running and walking burns nearly the same amount of calories? Stop circling the parking lot to get closer to the grocery store. You could park here, you could park here, or even here. Or how about this? Get off the bus a stop or 2 early and walk the rest of the way to work. It's simple, and that's why my favorite hack is walk more. Adding a little walking to your daily routine is something that most everyone can do. So stop thinking of exercise as something that requires a change of clothes, special equipment, or even a warm-up. Well, that's it. Hit that subscribe button if you like the content you're seeing, and comment below if you have ideas for fitness hacks. Finally, don't forget to get outside and live with fitness.